Hello and welcome to my studio. Well, are you ready to take your art to the next level? If so, you're in the right place. I'm Malcolm Dewey and I've got something special to share with you today. I've been on an incredible journey through the world of art, and I've learned that one of the most valuable experiences you can have as an artist is to connect with a mentor who truly understands your craft. That's why I'm thrilled to announce my one-to-one mentor sessions for artists just like you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these sessions are designed to elevate your painting. So what can you expect in a one-on-one mentor session? First, we'll dive into your paintings, providing a thoughtful assessment and critique. Together, we'll explore what's working and what could use a little extra magic. We'll discuss the positives and I'll offer suggested solutions to any painting issues you may be facing. It's all about giving your art the most impact and helping you to improve as much as possible. But it doesn't stop there. These sessions are all about you. We can answer your questions, dive into specific painting-related matters you want to cover, and have a real, meaningful conversation about your art. Best of all, it's easy to get started. Just pick a date from my calendar that works for you, and we'll meet one-to-one online with video, and it's that simple. So if you're ready to unlock your artistic potential, reserve your one-on-one mentor session today, and let's create something special. Remember, this is not about art sales. This is about you and your painting. We want to get the best out of your painting so you enjoy it more and can progress from there. How you grow is up to you, but with a mentor, you can do it so much better and quicker. And at the same time, enjoy your painting. So I look forward to meeting you in one of the mentor sessions just for you.